isolation tricks, I'm going to use the special ball. Isolation tricks are ones where it looks like it's floating, and your hands are doing any amount of things, and everything looks magical, and reality stops and suspends for a brief moment. That's what we're going to do. So, basic is you're going to practice rolling a ball finger by finger. You know what? These are the tricks that are going to make all the difference to you. If you have your hands like this, practice closing your fingers individually and then opening them individually from side to side. So everything open, close, open, close. That will also improve your wrist health if you do this for any significant amount of time. Same thing, hands closed. Close across, open across. Hands down. Anything to increase how much you're getting exercise and movement from your tendons before you're supporting a large, heavy thing.